You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is 11.5, -8. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 4, y1 equals -6. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 19, y2 equals -10. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals 4. x2 equals 19. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals -6. y2 equals -10. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is 11.5, -8.